What's up, you guys? Welcome back. Today I'm super excited because we have our August Boxycharm unboxing. I don't know how it's already August. This summer went by so fast. Comment down below if you agree, but I'm just like, where did the time go? But I'm really excited to do these unboxings with you guys today. Both of my boxes this month are pretty hefty, like they're pretty heavy. So we have the base box and then we also have a Boxycharm Premium. So we're gonna unbox both of them today, see which one's better, see if they are worth the money. I wanna thank Boxycharm for partnering with me on today's video and sending me these boxes to review for you guys. If you guys are new to my channel or new to my Boxycharm unboxings, Boxycharm is basically a monthly subscription service where you can get beauty products sent right to your door. The base box is $25 per month and you're guaranteed at least 5 full-size products, and then they also have the premium box, which is an additional $10 per month, so this is $35 per month, but you're guaranteed 6 to 7 sometimes full-size products. So we are gonna unbox them both together. I'll put a link in the description box to Boxycharm if you guys wanna check it out as always, but without further ado, make sure to subscribe to my channel if you have not already and click the little bell right next to the subscribe button so you'll be notified of all my future uploads, and let's go ahead and get started. All right, so first we're gonna unbox the boxes, and then I only did my base today so that we could like use some of the products as well and do like a try on towards the end, but I'm gonna unbox the boxes first so we can see what's inside. Not gonna leave you guys hanging as I'm swinging around this little blade thing, so let's open up the base box now. Ooh, she is chock full. I see something right on top that I am so excited about. Oh my God, if you are a Bravo lover, you are gonna be excited for this. Wow, okay, this is really exciting. So first let me explain the card. So this month's theme is Go All Out, super cute, and then it tells you everything that you're gonna get. Okay, this is what I see right here that I am so stoked for. It's Give Them Lala Beauty. So comment down below if you watch Vanderpump Rules. I do, I love the show, and Lala is one of the main people on Vanderpump Rules, and this is so cool. She has her own beauty brand, but I've never tried anything of it, and now it's in Boxycharm, so that's awesome. So this is the Grown Woman palette. That's like a drawing, I guess, of Lala, like on the front. Wow, this is super exciting. I've also gotten stuff from Cab in my Boxycharm, which is Kim Zolciak's brand, who was on a couple different Bravo shows. Like she had her own and she was on the Real Housewives of Atlanta. So they're pulling at the heartstrings of us fellow Bravo lovers. But this is what the palette looks like. It's kind of like a marble packaging. And then, oh, this is actually very pretty. Huge pan size. These eyeshadows are literally huge, but they're really pretty. Warm tone neutrals, a mix of mattes and shimmers, so we are totally gonna use this today, and check it out. Dang, like look at how big those eyeshadows are. And you get a mirror and everything else. So that is super exciting. The value on this is $42. Okay, up next we have the Iconic London Ultimate Bronzing Powder. So I guess this is a bronzer. I got the shade Medium Bronze. Very pretty packaging. And then this is the bronzer. Also very, very big. Like we got big pan sizes this month. This is a big bronzer too. So that is awesome. And the value on that is $35. Then we have the Jecca Black Play Pots. So what is this? I've gotten a few things from this brand in my Boxycharm in the past. I'm just not sure what play pots are. So let's see. Oh, so these are basically like a cream pigment that you can put on your eyes, lips, or your cheeks. So I got this like goldeny kind of shade. So that's really, really cool. It's like a multi-use type of product. So we can definitely check that out. Looks really, really pretty. And the value on that is $21.50. Up next, we have the Kate Somerville, which is a very bougie, like a high-end skincare brand, Exfoliate Glow Moisturizer. So this is like, I guess, exfoliating moisturizer. It says on the back it has lactic acid and hyaluronic acid in it. This month's box is really good. Like this is one of the best ones I've gotten recently, I think. Like everything I've taken out so far seems really, really interesting. So this is what the moisturizer looks like. And it also has AHAs in it too. So this is gonna be really good to like exfoliate your skin, brighten it up. Ooh, it's like a green color. It has like a, almost a, I don't know, cucumbery aloe type scent. So that's really, really cool. And again, Kate Somerville is, you know, a nice bougie, like high-end skincare brand. So that's really awesome. The value on that, yeah, the value on that's $70. So definitely expensive product and nice to get it in Boxycharm. And then the last thing that we have is from Clean Skin Club. This is the Clean Slate Clearing Mist. So is this like a toner? Okay, yeah, so it is like a toner, I think, that has salicylic acid, rose extract, and eucalyptus oil. It says to refine pores, soothe irritation, and remedy acne-prone skin. Ooh, cute bottle. I feel like this is what was really weighing the box down because this is definitely like a heavy product. I think this is like a glass bottle. Like it's definitely nice packaging. So this is really cool as well. And the value on that is $38. So that was everything for the base box this month. I definitely really like this month's base box. Let's add up the value of everything so we can see how much the value is. Okay, so we have $70 for the Kate Somerville moisturizer, $35 for the Iconic London bronzer, $38 for the Clean Skin Club mist, $42 for the Give Them Lala Beauty palette, and then $21.50 for the cream product from Jecca Black, for a total of $206.50. So that's really high. I think for the past couple of months, that's one of the highest ones that I've gotten. So that was really, really good. We're definitely gonna test as many of those products out as we can, but I wanna open up Premium first so we can see what's in there, and then we'll test some stuff out. So let's jump into Premium now. Again, this one's $35 per month, and let's see what she has in store for us, because it's gonna be hard to beat base this month, I think. Ooh, okay, so right on the top we have, I think these are like little cleansing pads from the brand La Ruche. I'm probably like totally butchering that. Ooh, these are so soft. So they look like this. Let me read like the description. Okay, yeah, so they call them their face discs. They retail for $24. And basically these are like an eco-friendly alternative to using a makeup wipe, like having to use a new one every single day. You can use this to wipe your makeup right off your face, and then you can just throw them in the wash and clean them, and you can use these instead of constantly having to buy makeup wipes. These are very, very soft. So I feel like this is something that I would totally use. They feel really, really nice. And they're kind of like squishy too. Like they feel really good. And it does say on here as well that they're vegan, cruelty-free, and hypoallergenic. Okay, up next, this looks like we have a little skincare tool. Ooh, this I like. Okay, wait, this is exciting because this is like, I feel like I've never gotten, no, I have gotten tools and stuff before like this. Like I've gotten hair tools and stuff, but this is really cool. So this is from L+W Bio. I don't know anything about the brand, but this is their Phoenix Rose Quartz Vibrating Facial Massager. So that sounds really, really cool. It looks cool. So it says it reduces toxins, will tighten your skin, activate and rejuvenate your skin cells, and contour the face, because I love just doing like jade rollers or ice rollers. If you guys follow me on Instagram, I've talked so much about my ice roller. I'm obsessed with it, but this is really cool as well. So this I am definitely going to check out. Does this open up? Oh yeah, so you can see the product like right in there. It says it needs batteries and they're not in here, but if my husband can find me a battery, then we are gonna use this today to see how it works. And it even shows like on the front, you can use it on like, you know, your shoulders, the back of your neck and stuff. So you can use it on more than just your face too. It's kind of like a little massager tool as well. So that's really, really cool. I'm super excited about that. So the value on this is $79.99. So not a cheap product, but I'm super stoked for that. Up next, we have the Wishful Honey Balm Jelly Moisturizer. So I believe Wishful is Huda Beauty's skincare brand. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm almost positive it is. And so this is her jelly moisturizer. Ooh, and it says it has niacinamide and turmeric in it. So let's open it up and see. And this is supposed to lock in moisture for 24 hours, which I need. Love the packaging, super cute. And this is what it looks like. It kind of has like an iridescent like glow to it. Let's put some on my hand and see if that will like transfer to the face, but it kind of like is pearlescent. Ooh, it feels very, very nice. And it feels like thick and creamy too. Like sometimes jelly can make you think like, oh, is it really gonna be that? Like, is it like it's gonna be not as thick? But this one feels really nice. It is scented, so definitely something to note. I feel like all of Huda's products are scented. So this definitely does have a scent to it. It smells like roses, but does leave like a little glow on the face as well, which I do like. And the value on this is $49. Okay, up next I see another bronzer. So there was bronzer in the base box and premium this month. This is the Vesca Beauty Kissed by Soft Matte Bronzing Powder. And it does say right on the back here that this brand is vegan and cruelty free, which is great. This is what the packaging looks like. And then this is the bronzer. This would probably be a good contouring bronzer since it's matte and doesn't have like any shimmer to it. And then you do get a mirror in this as well. So the value on this is $30. We can use this bronzer and the other bronzer when we test out the products. Then we have this Occ Minerals Mist. So this is a spritz to set and refresh makeup. So we'll definitely check this out. It says Nature's Perfect Hydrator. So that I definitely need. This is actually really nice packaging. Also glass bottle packaging and like heavy. Let's see if it has a scent. No, I don't think so. I don't think it has any scent at all, which is what I actually prefer. So that's really nice. And the value on this is $38. And then last, but certainly not least, we have this Zoeva Powerful Lip Twist Lipstick. So this is a lipstick. I actually love Zoeva. I feel like they're a very underrated brand. I like their products a lot. And so I think this is like a little lip pencil sort of thing. So we will definitely use this on our lips today to see how it works. And the value on that is $14. Okay, so let's add everything up. up so we can see what the value of Premium was this month. I feel like overall I probably liked my base box better this month, but I don't think the Premium was bad, so let's see what the value is. $49 for the Wishful Jelly Moisturizer, $30 for the bronzer, $38 for the mist, $79. Oh, I forgot about that, the facial massager. That I really like. So that was $79.99 plus $14 for the lipstick and then $24 for the face disc for a total of $234.99. So it is definitely at a higher value than the base box was this month as well. So that was Premium. Comment down below which one you guys liked better. I would love to hear. All right, I zoomed you guys in. Now we're gonna test out some of these products. So I'm gonna see if I can find batteries to test this out. So let me call my husband and see. And then we'll test out the makeup products. It says you need a AA battery. Hi, I'm doing a Boxycharm unboxing and there's this product that I want to try, but I need a AA battery. Do we have that?
Yeah.
Okay, can you bring me one?
Sure.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so we're getting the battery so we can try that out, but in the meantime, let's try out some of these other products. So first let's do the bronzers. So we got two bronzers, Iconic London, which this one's a little bit lighter, and then we have the Vesca, which this one's a little bit darker. So I'm gonna use the Iconic London kind of like all over to bronze up the skin, and then we can use the bit of the deeper one to contour. Oh, Steven's here with the batteries. We're just one battery. Thank you. All right, got the battery, so I'll put this in there, but let's still test out the bronzers first. Ooh, or maybe I should test this out first, because I feel like this is supposed to be used on like clean skin, so before we put anything else in our face. So let me put the battery in here. Hang on. All right, I just popped the battery in there. Not sure if it's like right way, but hopefully it is. So this is what it looks like. All right, now how do we turn it on? Oh, you turn this. And then it turns on. I mean, it feels really cool. Again, yeah, definitely meant to go on like clean skin, so I'll definitely like cleanse this after I use it. But it basically feels like a jade roller, you know those jade rollers, but then it has like a vibration to it as well. So I feel like if you use this like after you put your skincare on, like your serums and stuff, to really like infuse it into the skin, it would be really nice. And it's also just like very relaxing to begin with. Feels actually really good on the forehead too. I have like a little bit of a migraine. I had one this morning, like a sinus migraine. So it actually feels really nice, like in this area, and like soothing. Okay, so this little thing is pretty cool. I like it, and I do feel like it could help like better infuse your skincare. So, all right, this I like. All right, now as promised, let's jump in with the bronzer. So let's go in with the Iconic London one first. And I'm gonna use this to, ooh, excuse me, ma'am, okay. It looks light, but she is not once you apply her. Wow, okay, that's a lot. I really only need a little bit of this. I went in with way too much, so I'm gonna blend that out and distribute it across the face so we don't have a big like bronze stripe. Oh my goodness. Should have swatched it first, but yeah. I feel like it doesn't look that deep. Like it almost looks like Benefit Hoola, which for me is like a lighter bronzer, where this one definitely applies a bit deeper to the skin, which is nice because then you only have to use a little bit of it to go a long way. Okay, so this is definitely really nice. Now I'm nervous to go in with the other bronzer because it is a lot deeper looking. That is just gonna be way too dark, so I'm gonna go in with a very little bit of this so we can see how it works to contour. Tapping the excess. Okay. Not bad. Again, if you go in with the light hand, works well and gives a nice contour. It's definitely more of a warm tone bronzer, where normally contour bronzers are more like cool tone, but I still think this one looks nice and can be used for that, or you could use it to bronze up all over the skin as well, especially if your skin is a bit deeper than mine. And this one has a very faint like coconutty smell, where the Iconic London one I don't think really had much of a smell at all. Doesn't smell like much. So both really, really nice, and now I feel like we're good and bronzed on the skin. I do want to try this little Jecca Black product because I feel like we could use this as a highlight because it's more of like that goldeny tone. So I'm gonna like dip a brush in there, get a little bit on. I feel like my finger will probably work best with this. Oh, it is distributing it, but let's see. Tap some on. This is actually really pretty. It's definitely very shimmery, but it is very pretty, and I feel like you could build this up to be super blinding, or you can leave it and have it be like a little bit more of like a subtle type highlight, but that's actually really, really beautiful. I like that. Definitely bronzy vibes with the boxes this month, but I do not hate it at all. I'll put some on my nose as well. It's like a true gold sort of shade. I like this. Okay, let's go in with the Occ Mineral Mist now. I don't know if you're supposed to shake this. I feel like probably not, but do a little test spritz. All right, it looks like a normal sprayer, so let's go in. Okay, it's a little harsh, so definitely hold it like as far away as you can, but it does feel really, really refreshing and very like cooling to the skin, so I definitely like that. I like that it does not have a scent to it really. Okay, so now that the face is all refreshed, let's jump into the Give Them Lala Beauty palette. This I'm really, really excited for. So let's go in with shade The Wife first, or actually let's do the shade Stepmom, just so we can use as many colors as possible. This shade's gonna be really similar to the actual color of my skin, maybe a little bit lighter, so I'm just gonna pop this on the upper crease area just to help with blending when we go in with further colors. Then I'm gonna jump in with The Wife and pop this into the crease as a neutral transition shade and just buff that in back and forth. Then we're gonna jump in with Boss Lady. We're just going down the line, but this one is more of like an orangey shade. And I'm gonna put that in the crease as well to begin warming it up. These shadows are definitely more subdued, like they're blending easily and stuff, but they're not like crazy boom pigmented, but they are blending fine. So they're not like patchy, they're just not like crazy opaque in color. I'm just buffing this right on into the crease area. Then I'm gonna go in the shade Bridal Party down here and put this in the outer corner and outer crease area, just to begin to deepen it up a bit. Then I'm gonna jump in with this kind of like purpley shimmer shade. This is Say Yes. I'm gonna just put this on my finger and I'm gonna tap that on the outer part of the lid. Okay, this shade actually applies a lot better with a dampened brush, so I actually just used some of the OC spray on a flat top brush, and it actually applies, and it applies much nicer than it does with your finger. So you can dampen your brush with a spray or water, either way, but you're definitely gonna get more of like that foiled pigment if you do that. So I'm just working that about halfway on my eye. Then I'm gonna go in with the shade I Do, and I'm gonna put that on the other half of my eye. I'm also gonna bring that shade into the inner corner as well. And then I'm gonna mix that shade with a little bit of Stepmom, the lightest shade, and use that beneath my brow bone just to highlight. And then I'm gonna mix together The Ring and Princess of Bel-Air on my lower lash line and just buff that down below. Alrighty, so overall I would say I would have loved to see these shades be a little bit more pigmented. Like obviously they still show up, they still have pigment, but for the price, like if you were to buy it retail, I feel like they should be a little bit more pigmented, but they did blend easily and I do like the look that I was able to create with it. So definitely don't hate the palette and I will use it again. So those are my thoughts on that. I'm gonna go pop some mascara on and then we'll try out the lippy. Okay guys, lashes are on, we're back. Now let's go in with the Zoeva Lippy. So again, this is the Powerful Lip Twist. And the shade that I have is, does it say? I think Smelly? S-E-M-E-L-E, not like smelly like ew you smell. If you watch me, you already know that I'm not the best at pronouncing things, but that's okay. We all have our strong suits. Okay, so this is like a really cool toned brown. It's so creamy though, like it's gliding. Ooh. I just broke it. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I was pushing down a little too hard apparently. Gonna twist it up and continue to apply. Okay, yeah, definitely a super, super creamy formula. So it feels really, really nice in the lips. So don't make the mistake of me of pushing it down too hard. Sometimes when I'm like lining my lips, I can push too hard and I always break off my liners. And I honestly don't have really any lipsticks that are this color. And it's not a color I would really think to wear, but I feel like it's actually different and like pretty, like it's cool. It's very cool toned. It definitely wouldn't be like an everyday sort of staple color for me, but I feel like for a cool kind of edgy look, like in the fall especially, it's really cool. So don't break yours like I did. Have light pressure. And this is the completed lippy. So yeah, that is everything, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed today's unboxing. Definitely let me know what you guys think down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon in my next video.